This is a short video to show you how to access the Class Connect recordings and the online learning course so you can get those wrapped up this week. First things first, we want to make sure that you're logging in through the student account as the student. So you would make sure the student name is in the top right-hand corner. After that, you'll go click into My Schedule. This will show the daily plan for the day. This will show the Class Connects for the day. You'll click on the week view. You'll see the Strong Start New Student Orientation here and here and here. If you click on any of those, it should pop up another window with a recording option in it. You would then click this recording. It will open the program and prompt you to run it and will allow you to view that recording. Then you'll click on Classes for the online learning course. You'll find the online learning course right here. If this is anything other than 100% A, you'll need to click into the class and then click on Introduction to Online Learning. This will show you all of the lessons here. You can scroll down to see all 4 sections. And right here is an assessment. If you see that this has a check mark, that means it's been completed, but this caution sign means that it's not finished at 100%. So you'll need to click into the assessment and click in here. This will allow you to retake the quiz. You must get all 5 questions correct or continue taking it until it is all correct. Once that's finished at 100%, then the course is finished. I hope that helps.